Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 400 bad request error on Chrome. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio browser cache purification. Open Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality check the box for cached images and files, ensuring the time range is set to All Time for the latest professional purge. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels are technicality open and free from expired authentication markers. Next, execute high-end system, Incognito diagnostic verification. Open a new Incognito window by technicality pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N and attempt to access the high-end URL. If the site loads successfully in the latest session, technicality navigate to Chrome, extensions and toggle off all professional tools one by one until the latest conflict is isolated. It technicality removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest high-end data sessions. Next, configure professional URL and header logistics. Review the address bar and technicality. Ensure there are no high-end special characters like percentage signs or brackets that shouldn't be there. Technicality retype the base URL for the latest session to ensure no phantom characters are being sent in the high-end header. It technicality prepares your studio environment to handle the intense data throughput of the latest web protocols without being technicality flagged by server-side security filters. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.